Use the following chemical equation to find out how many moles of Fe molecules will react with 0.27 moles of O2 molecules. 4 Fe plus 3 O2 producing 2 Fe2O3. We are given 4 Fe plus 3 O2 producing 2 Fe2O3. We can use the following conversion factor to solve this problem. Moles given times coefficient over desired over coefficient of given equals moles required or desired. So from here, our moles given, we have 0.27, 0.27, that is the moles given, 0.27. Therefore, we can say that moles given here is a 0.27, moles given 0.27 times coefficient of desired. Use the following chemical equation to find out how many moles of Fe molecules will react with 0.27 moles of O2 molecules. So the desired is a Fe, and our Fe is here. The desired Fe. This is our desired. So therefore, the coefficient of our desired is a 4. So we say that this is a 0.27 times 4 over coefficient of given. The given is we are given 0.27 moles and of O2, and the coefficient of given is 3 here. So now we say that this is 0.27 times 4 over 3, and this is going to give us 3 can go into 0.27, 0.09. This is giving us 0.36 moles over Fe that is required or desired. Thank you for watching.